Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. This is Deepthi from Transform, and in this video we will learn different ways to decorate around a switchboard. So let's get started. This is the portion of a wall around a switchboard which gets dirty over a period of time. Then I thought of painting it, but painting the whole wall is a big task. So I chose a pattern and painted it to hide the ugly portion around the switchboard. I chose to draw a sunflower pattern as per the room interiors. You can draw any pattern of your own choice as per the interior and type of the room. After you draw the sketch of the pattern with the pencil on the wall, the next step is to paint it with the base color. For painting this sunflower, I have used Fevicryl acrylic colors. After finishing the base color, the next step is to do the outlines and the shading of the flower. This is an economical option of decorating around a switchboard. Last but not the least, give a coat of varnish to secure it. Voila! The flower is ready. The shine which you can see on the flower is due to the varnish coat. This is one way of decorating around a switchboard. But this is for those who have really a good hand on sketching and painting. Let's see some more options of decorating your switchboards. First one is to paint the whole wall. The other option is to add a frame around the switchboard. You can also make a frame of your own with a cardboard, MDF or wood. The easiest option is to stick the wall decals around the switchboard. These are available online in many designs. If you want to be more quirky, you can also stick seashells around the switchboard. Or maybe you can cut an old book paper, or you can use a newspaper also. And why not to add an old map? And yes, if you know the knitting, you can knit a cover for your switchboard. Painting cartoon figures will be good for your kids' room. Use a masking tape to make different patterns and make it colorful. These days many different colored pattern tapes are available in the market. You can stick them and make different patterns out of it. And if you like some blingy stuff, you can always use glitters to decorate it. If you don't have anything else to decorate it, Sharpie pens and permanent markers and acrylic pens will come to your rescue. Hope you all are liking the videos and the ideas behind them. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Till we meet again, keep creating. Bye bye.